Hi everyone, welcome to Law with Dunk, the Law Guy, and we're on day 2 of the Case a Day series where every day I will go over legal cases relevant to criminal law, tort law, contract law, or even the English legal system. And today I thought I would continue with the theme of omissions and go over the case of R.V. Gibbins and Proctor, 1918. Just to stress, I should have made this clear in yesterday's video. The physical part of a crime, or actus reus, which means the guilty act, is usually committed via a positive voluntary act or a willful act. It can also be committed by a state of affairs crime or an involuntary act. I can cover these in other videos. Those are just other ways the actus reus can be committed. However, the term actus reus is a wide term and even covers situations where a person fails to act, i.e. an omission. The rule is that an omission alone can't make a person guilty of an offence, as we don't have a Good Samaritan law operating within the UK, unlike other countries. A Good Samaritan law makes a person responsible for helping another, such as a stranger, in an emergency situation. However, there are exceptions to the rule, and an omission, i.e. a failure to act, can lead to a person committing the actus reus of a criminal offence, and thus lead to criminal liability where the defendant has a duty to act. The duty I would like to take a look at is the duty by way of a special relationship, also known as a parent-to-child relationship, and how it was present in the case of R.V. Gibbins and Proctor, 1918. In this case, a 7-year-old girl went to go live with her father and his partner, her stepmother for the purposes of this recording. Her father had children from a previous marriage. The father and his partner, her stepmother, separated the 7-year-old girl from all of her other siblings and then deliberately starved her to death. Both the father and the stepmother were found guilty of murder. The father had a duty by way of a special relationship to feed his daughter, and his failure to do so led to her death, which resulted in the actus reus of a criminal offence, i.e. the actus reus of murder, accompanied with either the intent to kill or the intent to cause serious harm, which thus led to the father being found guilty of murder, as both the actus reus via an omission and mens rea could be proven. Also, the partner or stepmother was found to have voluntarily undertaken a duty to care for the 7-year-old girl, and a failure to feed the child, which resulted in the victim's death, led to her too being found guilty of murder, similar to the father's situation, but a different duty not being met, resulting in the actus reus of murder being committed via an omission. And with that said, tomorrow I will be going over R.V. Stone and Dobinson, which illustrates an omission situation where a duty has been undertaken voluntarily. Thank you from Law with Dunk, the Law Guy.